Ciao guys, I am throwing together a quick little video. If you've ever wondered what it is like owning a home 5,000 miles away, we live in America, we're in Florida, and our home is in central Italy. What do you do when you first get there? Well, usually we clean. My home here in Florida that I live in is dusty and I clean it every single day. So you can only imagine what an ancient home, the dust that just accumulates. So normally we do a thorough cleaning and it's just dusting. You know, we have glass light fixtures in the kitchen and we have those ancient beams. So there's always some type of like residue that, you know, just kind of comes off the beams, I assume. So it's just given a good fresh wipe down with some Windex and then a good vacuum. We always get those disgusting, they're like worm bugs and they're always curled up in a ball. That's really all we've ever seen. We've never had any type of rodent. We've never had any creepy crawlies, just those wormy bugs. But Mike usually goes around and vacuums and cleans all the bugs. You know, and depending on the time frame from how long it's been since we've been there matters how many there are. We had a woman in the village who is a cleaner and we were having her come over. But when we leave the house, I leave it immaculate. So I'm like, do we really need to pay a cleaner to go clean the house when it's clean when I leave? And then when we come, I'm going to clean it again. So that's what we do. And then normally when we leave, we know what we didn't get done. There's always a to-do list, right? Just imagine your home wherever you live. So now imagine a vacation home. When we're there, we're usually only there for like, you know, 10 days, 2 weeks tops. So trying to squeeze in renovations and time with your neighbors, and we usually like to go on some type of little vacation, whether it's a drive, you know, we hop in the car and we'll drive 2 hours to Abruzzo, or we'll drive 7 hours down to Puglia or Calabria, 7 hours up to the Dolomites. We just drive. We don't mind driving, and that's why we do usually rent a car. Two reasons: so we can go on these little trips, and because we're going back and forth to home improvement stores, Leroy Merlin, Brickleman, IKEA. So that's what we do. But this past trip, I knew when we left last time, and our last trip was September 2024, and we didn't get over there for over a year because we just flew over October 20th of 2025. And why did it take a year? Because of life. I had 2 major revision vascular surgeries up in Boston. We had our daughter's wedding. So just life, you know, that thing called life. But the home is always there waiting for us. So we got there and I knew Mike had already taken down the light fixture in our bedroom. And I found this beautiful pendant antique light, and he put that up there and it looks beautiful, but when you turn it on, it's like this disco ball. It illuminates funky and I get migraines, and I'm like, that's driving me nuts. So this trip he swapped out the light again. I think this is now like the 3rd light fixture I've had him put in there. we just stuck something that I had gotten at IKEA, and it just gives a softer light, so it's fine. I love it. And then he tackled the second floor bathroom, which is a wet room, meaning there's no shower stall. And a funny story, I did a little bit of a video. I'm going to make a full video. Our daughter Kaylee was like, I'm not using that bathroom, it stinks. And I'm like, Kaylee, get over it, it's a freaking bathroom. And she would come downstairs to our bathroom. Well, come to find out, we did get a new toilet, and when Mike put the new toilet on, or started working in the bathroom, he realized there was no wax seal. So yeah, it stunk, kind of nasty.
So this is the piece that the last one did not have. It is the seal between the toilet and the main drain pipe. And it was literally not there. It was just the toilet sitting on the open hole, basically no seal at all. So that's what we discovered pulling it out. So new toilet going in, new seal in, new faucet in, on our way.
So Kaylee's like, you gonna apologize? But we got that bathroom done, and it just, it took literally like under $100. A new toilet, we spent 25 euros at Leroy Merlin, and you have to buy the toilet seat separate. So we got that. We put up 2 shower curtains, to make it feel like a shower, because it is kind of odd just standing in a room and showering. I don't know, mind over matter. We're Americans, we are used to things. So we got that all taken care of for Kaylee. So now she has a bathroom, and I think it looks pretty. I found a pretty little antique mirror at Mercantino. That's my favorite antique store. And what else? So he worked on the bathroom, and then I just wanted to add, to deal with the dust situation and just to keep the home feeling, clean, whatever. By us, we have a little Casa store, and it's kind of like a Ace Hardware, a Big Lots. They kind of have everything, but they have these tops that you can, it's a clear plastic, whatever, and I just throw it over the bed, and I throw it over our linen love seat in the little kitchen area. It just keeps all that dusty debris that, when you're not in your home for a while. So that was a quick, easy fix.
Now what are you doing?
Changing the bedroom light for the
How many times?
4th time.
I know, that one's really pretty. It's given disco vibes.
Psychedelic.
When it's lit, when it's on, it just has like all these shapes on the ceiling. It's pretty. I'll put it somewhere else. We bought that for like 5 euros
Something
at
like that, yeah.
Mercantino. It's really pretty. All right, you got the other one?
It's right there.
Do you want me to get it for you?
Please.
Not as pretty, but it gives like a softer light. You know what we need? Those medallions that go like on the ceiling? It's like a round thing, so you don't see all that crap up there.
You don't see it when this goes up.
Oh.
Switch.
Put it on.
Yeah.
Oh, much better. It's just so much softer. Thank you.
Ciao, ciao.
Show. Nice. I got those 3 prints at Mercantino. I think they were like 10 euros each. Just got this little shelf at IKEA. New pillows from IKEA. I'll fix the bed. This is, I don't know, Milano. I don't know, Piazza something. They're really pretty. The bed was here when we bought the house. Just like a black wrought iron bed. And that bureau was here with the marble top. Mike made screens on the windows, hung up Roman shades, curtains. This mirror was here.
Pack my bags and close the door. Airplanes waiting, can't ignore. Off to Italy, sunny shore. Rome by night, I'll explore. Viva l'Italia, under blue skies. Gelato mountains and pizza pies. History whispers in the streets. Summer romance in every heartbeat. Venice canals where gondolas glide. Beyond the city, my secret